What you saying, YouTube? Today I'm going to be debadging my Fiesta ST. Nah, it's just the two rear badges I'm taking off, and it's the Fiesta and the ST. But I'm actually changing this one to a black one, so it fits in with the colour scheme. Yeah, we're getting rid of the Fiesta and we're changing that to black. What I'm going to be using is a hairdryer, some fishing line, a pair of snips, some adhesive remover, some PVC tape and some wipes to clean it up. Optional, cup of tea or a bottle of Pepsi. First I'm going to snip me about that much fishing wire. This is to get behind the badge and to kind of remove it from the panel. So there you go. So you can wrap it like that and work your way behind the badge. And then we got to warm up the badge with the hairdryer to make the adhesive nice and sticky. One. Simple as that. Now what I'm going to do, just going to get in there with my nail and kind of, as you can see, peel off as much as I can without kind of damaging the paintwork, because I think this is probably the easiest way, just to peel off the majority of it before I put the adhesive remover on there. So I'm just going to finger the rest off. Look how much you managed to get off. There's still a little bit of goo on there, so I'm going to spray it up. So what I've done now is sprayed a bit of a paper towel with the adhesive remover, kind of stuck it to the car just to let it do its work so the gravity isn't kind of pulling it down. So one of the main reasons I've got this bit of tape is to make sure I get the ST badge in exactly the same position as this one. So what I'm going to do is this. So now I know exactly where the new ST badge needs to be. So it's not going to look out of shape, or it's not going to look like it's slanted. It's going to be exactly the same position that this one was. Ooh, car prep. Again, I'm just gonna pick off what I can with my nail and then get the adhesive remover on it. This stuff's on there a little bit. Shit, the camera. This stuff's on there a little bit better than the Fiesta badge. done what I did on the other side, just let it soak in a little bit. Hopefully that helps bring it off. I'm going to give the car a nice wash after this as well. So the area's nice and clean and dry, ready for us to put our new ST logo on. I'm just going to hold it with some pressure for like 30 seconds. There we go. I think that looks a lot cleaner than it did. And the black goes with the black and red theme that I got for the whole car instead of a white badge. Really didn't like the white badge. The only thing I'm going to do now is, I don't know if you can see too well on the camera, there is a slight faint Fiesta. Maybe there at the angle you might be able to see it. Yeah, you can slightly see it. It's not very visible at all. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run over it with some T-cut. And that should get rid of it. Bang! Look at that. Nothing. And then the badge on the other side. We're done. It just looks so much better at the back without the Fiesta bit, and obviously the colour coded ST. Big improvement. That was a nice, quick, easy job. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to be doing the video that everybody wants to see, and that's me changing the PRC, whatever the valve's called, and the hose that's causing the idleish on my car. Now it's a bit of a job because you have to take off the inlet manifold and you have to kind of take a lot of the wiring loom out, and yeah, there's a lot more to it than what I've done today, but hopefully if the weather holds out we'll get that done tomorrow. Let us know what you think of the car now it's debadged. I prefer it. I think it looks a lot better. Yeah, thank you for watching. Give me a subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you next time.